Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can make up to $100 a day using just ChatGPT and Canva. It's no experience, no affiliate links, and no fancy tools needed. All you need is your phone or laptop and a bit of creativity. So make sure you watch till the end because I will show you how to actually sell what you make and start earning real money. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT and then we will use it to generate high quality written content like motivational quotes, business tips, or maybe social media captions. For example, I will uh, type like this. For example like this, and then just generate like this. ChatGPT will give you 30 quotes that you want. And then now we are going to turn this into a beautiful social media post using Canva. Just open your Canva and then tap on templates and then just describe your template, for example like this. Like this. Canva will show you 1,000 of ready-made templates. Just pick one that you like, then simply edit the text. Just copy one of quotes from ChatGPT and paste it into your designs. Just go back to ChatGPT and then choose one quote that you like this, and then go back to Canva and then just paste it. Next, you can make your designs more creative, more beautiful. Just change the colors, the fonts, and images as you like, and then maybe replace the photo with your own picture or a nice natural background. Just feel free to get creative. And then when you're happy with the designs, just tap on download, and your first digital product is ready. And then next, so how do you actually make the money from this? Here's a few ways. Just sell your quotes bundles or templates on Etsy or Creative Market, or you can also offer custom design services on Fiverr or Upwork, and then you can promote your designs on Instagram or WhatsApp where people can order personalized versions. And then if you charge around $10 to $20 per pack, and then getting just 5 orders a day can make you $100. But remember, consistency is key. Just keep posting your designs, build your portfolio, and market your work. And the more effort you put in, the faster you will grow. So that's how you can start making $100 a day using ChatGPT and Canva, even with zero experience. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!